Is it okay if I call you mine? Just for a time. I will be just fine if I know that you know that I wanted your love. Oh, if I ask if it's alright, if I ask you to hold me tight through a cold dark night, maybe a cloudy day inside, and I need to let you know that I've been needing your love. Oh, trying to say it's you. It's just the things that happen to me when I reminded of you. Like when I hear your name or see the place that you been, or see the picture of your queen, or past the house that you've been in one time or another. Sets up something in me I can't explain, and I can't wait to see you again. Babe, I love you now. Oh,
Hindi ba nakakaya?
Hindi.
Hindi, nakakaya.
what I'm trying to say is loving you. Just the things that happen to me when I reminded of you.
Okay, 100.